Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaiya, and welcome on this channel, Small Wonders Parent Station, and on podcast. Welcome to all of you. So, Tuesday, my favorite day because it is the story day, wherein I come up with inspirational and motivational stories for you all. So, today, the story that I have chosen to speak is Enjoy the Moment. Wonderful story. And here it's not only one story, but what I have done, I've combined two stories because ultimately these two stories come together to deliver the essence that I want you all to understand. And when I talk about you all, it means including me, Harsha, as well. So, this is a story of a man who is sitting at the bank of a seashore and having a fishing rod in his hand under a tree and thinking and pondering and smiling and taking the total advantage of the nature, the scenic beauty of the nature. So he has a cigar, he's smoking, and he's enjoying the day and enjoying the climate, enjoying the moment. So there is one businessman जो वहां से निकलता है. He pauses down and he looks at that man, wondering what this man is doing. So he steps out of his car and he then talks to this man. Hello, gentlemen. What are you doing here? This businessman is asking this man who is sitting under the tree. This man replies, I am enjoying. He says, this businessman, because businessman ki to mentality hoti hai, to always keep on calculating the time into money and whatever. So then he says that you have a fishing rod in your hand. There is a seashore here. Why don't you go and do some fishing and get some fishes? So this man who is sitting under the tree बोल रहा है कि उसके बाद मैं क्या करूं? Then he said कि अगर आप आज 10 fishes collect कर रहे हो, you can sell them. Then this man asked, उसके बाद? Then you can, with that money, you can buy a good fishing rod and you can again fish and collect other fishes. Okay. उसके बाद क्या करना है? This man under the tree is asking this businessman. Then you sell these fishes, you get more money, and then your business expands. Then you can buy a warehouse. Then you can buy many other people. You can hire people to work for you, and you can have a wholesale business of fishing. And from one fish to you reach to a larger extent and become a big, big, big businessman. Then this man sitting under the tree asks, "Uske baad, then what? Sit under the tree, have your fishing rod, your cigar, and enjoy life." This man sitting under the tree says, what do you think I'm doing right now? Listening to this statement, this businessman was awestruck. And the message that I would take from this story is that it's not that the luxuries of life or the materialistic things that you achieve in your life gives you eternal happiness. I think this happiness lies in those small moments to enjoy. I think what we do, and when I was reading this story, I thought a lot, I kept churning this story in my thoughts कि कभी कभी कुछ ज्यादा पाने के लिए हम अभी जो कर रहे हैं उसको हम enjoy ही नहीं करते. To reach to a particular target or to reach to a particular goal, uh, we don't enjoy that destination. Our target achievement is so big that we forget that pressure is so big, that stress is so big in this competitive world that उसमें कहीं हमारी जो अपने आप से खुशी है वो छीन जाती है. I think the lesson of life is to enjoy each moment. And when we start understanding the enjoyment, I think we've lived life to the fullest because it's more important to enjoy the journey. This was story number one. Connecting to this, I have another story which is very beautiful, very beautiful. So, this is the story of a lion and a squirrel. So, this squirrel and lion both are friends. Now this lion tells this squirrel कि अगर तुम इतना सब काम कर दोगी, he assigns some work to the squirrel, then I will give you 10 kgs of akhroat. 10 kgs. And this squirrel is like, because squirrels are very, they love to eat nuts. So she was like, oh my God, 10 kgs of walnuts I'm going to get. Wow. So let me be happy and let me run and work, 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 work to get those 10 kgs of walnuts. And day and night, she's working, working, working. And she worked very well. She worked very well. Now, she finished the whole task that the lion had given her. It took years for her to complete that task. Now, at the end, this squirrel comes to the lion and she says, a lion, I have finished what all you assigned. Now it's your time to keep the promise. So this lion says, of course, dear squirrel, I am going to keep my promise. And this is your gift, 10 kgs of walnuts. My God, the squirrel was on the top of the world that, wow, she's reached the target and she's achieved what she wanted to. And this 10 kgs of walnuts is for her. She was so happy. She brought them home and then she sits to eat them. Now let's understand what happened. She sits to eat them, but now she's not able to eat because she's grown old. Her teeth now do not support her to break those shells of these nuts. What is the use? Lesson number two for life. What is the use to earn everything that we are not able to enjoy? I think we all have a mentality to deposit everything for future. And I am not against depositing or keeping safe or playing safe in game in life. I'm not against that. But while doing so, we forget those small, teeny, meeny moments of life. And in the race of life, to achieve everything, to keep everything safe for our future, to keep our future secure because we want to invest in the वो बोलते हैं ना अगर हम जॉब करते हैं तो हमको मिलता है at the end provident fund and all that, PF and all that. We struggle so much. If we are a businessman, we invest, in the shares and in the LICs. I'm not against again investing in anything, but have you ever sat back and have you ever thought about this that in सब में हम जीना ही भूल जाते हैं to earn materialistic thing to keep us secure at the end of our life. I saw a picture a few days ago on social media wherein it was the picture of two couples. Both of the couples were friends and they were four people and four of them were 80 plus, and now they had the money to go to Goa and to go to Bangkok and to enjoy. Now imagine the life. They have saved everything all their life to enjoy. Now, at the age of 80, they can't even walk on the beaches. They can't even eat because they don't have that digestion system so strong. They can't, wake up in the morning to run on the beaches. They are not able to see the sightseeing, that beautiful sights, that the hotel is offering them. And that also left me thinking that we all invest in the future, but we don't think about the present and at the cost of this present. Because there are two types of people. One who live in the past. दिमाग में उनके वही चलता रहता है जो हुआ है उनके साथ, फैमिली ने कुछ बुरा किया है, इफ देयर लव लाइफ इज डिस्टर्ब और व्हाटएवर, वो उसमें ही जीते हैं. So they don't enjoy the present moment because they have all the possible complaints that happened in the past. The other set of people are such who live in future. बच्चों के लिए सेव कर दूं सब कुछ, मैं बीमार पड़ जाऊंगा या पड़ जाऊंगी फ्यूचर में तो फिर उसके लिए सेव कर दूं सब कुछ. And they run in that race of life to keep their future secure. But Both of the personalities, both of the people forget about the present. And that is what keeps them always stressed out, always unhappy. I really love this title, Enjoy the Moment. कल हो गया, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आने वाले कल के लिए थोड़ा कुछ करना चाहिए, जरूर से करना चाहिए, but सब कुछ नहीं. Let's enjoy the moment of today, because whatever we are going to pass today is going to be the memory for tomorrow. Let's create memories which give smiles to us. हम जब बूढ़े होंगे तो पैसा काम आएगा, सही बात है. हमारी एफडीज काम आएंगी, सही बात है. पर उसके साथ एक इमोशनल सपोर्ट चाहिए इन यादों का, जो हम आज अगर जिएंगे तो वो यादें हम कल के लिए इकट्ठा कर पाएंगे. लेकिन आज हमने अगर गवा दिया भागने में, आई एम रनिंग 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 टू अचीव एवरीथिंग टू कीप माई फ्यूचर सिक्योर, I'm going to be unhappy for the rest of my life. Believe me, friends. I always tell everyone, and to you all also, I will suggest have 1 hour in a day, 60 minutes. If you can get at a stretch, bingo. If you can split into 30 minutes, not a problem. 20 minutes, not a problem. But live for yourself. Do something that you like. It could be anything, watching television, listening to music, talking to friends, singing, just listening to the music and singing. कोई मेरी तारीफ नहीं करता है, मेरी आवाज इतना बुरा है, पर फिर भी जब गाना बजता है मैं जरूर से गाती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे अच्छा लगता है. आई फील आई एम द सिंगर फॉर माई लाइफ. So find those things which give happiness to you, which help you create memories. Don't run, don't run, don't run. Run, but everything in moderation will get a long way. Otherwise, you will get tired like the rabbit in the rabbit and the tortoise race, because everything, everybody in this life needs rest. So let's take rest each day. Let's enjoy each moment of our life. And believe me, if this is the mantra of your life, you are going to smile all day. There are people, who always, there are many people who comment on me, they tell me, मैम जब भी आपको देखो आप बहुत broad सी smile देते हो. I think this is the mantra of my life, because I invest in today. I don't invest in tomorrow. My husband is there to do that. So he does. My son is there, देखने के लिए करेगा जब उसका future होगा तब करेगा. But I don't miss out on today to think what will happen tomorrow. I am a present tense person, and I request each one of you to live in that present tense. It's very important, friends, because ultimately लाइफ इज स्ट्रेसफुल. मुझे वो गाना मिस्टर इंडिया का बहुत याद आता है, अनिल कपूर. जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है. सो दैट इज द वे ऑफ लाइफ, it's always up and down, it's always a roller coaster ride. Life for Ambani's also is not that as it looks, so हमें लगता है कि wow, they are so rich and the fourth richest people and they don't have any tension. If they are earning in crores, the tension is in bulks. So everyone on this universe has struggles, has challenges, but how you take those challenges in your life makes your life what it has to be. So enjoy the moment and stay tuned every single day on this page and this group. So I'm coming back tomorrow also with a wonderful story for children. Akbar Birbal is my favorite story section. So I'm coming back with that. And also a brain teaser. So ये सब कहाँ पे मिलेगा, लेकिन ये सब मिलेगा मेरे Facebook group पर. So find type parent station and you will find a group and you can become a member right now and be happy as we all are. So bye and thank you so much everyone for staying tuned every single day with me. Bye bye. Thank you.